Good afternoon. Welcome to another Broken Rider video. In today's video, we're just going to talk about some comfort things, some things that just make life a little easier, for me, at least while I ride, right? I'm sure they would be comfortable for everyone, but this is just my perspective on comfort and what I've done. So obviously the first thing are the saddlebags, right? Readily accessible stuff that I need in there, not crap bullshit, but things like rubber bands for my hands and extra gloves and bubble gum and my remote controls. Everything is in there, quick, readily accessible, and the same thing on the other side. These are extremely useful. The one thing that I don't like is that it's so large that I couldn't add a speaker here, but you know what? You can compromise and do something else, and I'll add speakers in the back somewhere else. But this is probably one of the most useful things that I use literally multiple times a day as I'm riding, so very important. The other is the adjustable backrest. So the adjustable backrest is not important really for me so much as it is for my passenger, to allow them to get in and out a lot easier. And then, of course, it goes right back into place, so kind of convenient there. The reason why I have a gap here is because I added the DK Customs 3-inch extension pack for the tour pack to set it back. It goes to 1 to 3 inches. And I just haven't gotten the chance to get the screws. You need extended screws for the other pad, which they recommend, the Kuryakn pad. It's on their website. It's the specific model number you need. I have that. I just got to get the screws. But again, this 3 inches may not sound like a lot, but from a comfort perspective, everyone that has sat in the back has been extremely happy with it. And you know what? It wasn't even that difficult to install, and it was pretty cost effective. The other thing that is an option for it, which I kind of like because I'm a light geek, is you have this little tour pack extension light bar that goes right into the tour pack mounting rack right there, and it's another nice kind of cool thing. So and that you get them as a set and install them at the same time. Again, really easy to install. Very happy. Make your passenger happy. Give them that extra room, even if they don't need it. Right? It'll make it easier life, not only from a comfort perspective, being able to get in and out. If they got to carry something, you give them a little more room. That's really what it's all about. So just some more notes on what makes things a little easier for me and things I focus on. Again, I'll put all the links below. Thank you for watching. Hope this helps, and please look forward to the next Broken Rider video.